to my channel and welcome if you're new. This is Allure here and I am back with another hair video, and pretty much it's about this hair on my head. You know, it looks just like my hair. Okay, this is perfect for like a wash and go wig, low maintenance, everything, I'm telling you. This hair is a kinky curly wig from Nabeautyhair. It's 16 inches and it does, you know, mimic natural kinky curly hair. The lace is HD, meaning you don't need to do anything because this is blending. You see, it's blending. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I, you know, the unboxing, the you know, how I installed it and how I made it look like this, keep on watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, and I'm recently, you know, starting on Twitch, so don't forget to go check that out also. And yeah, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The hair is from Nabeautyhair, and it came with this in this black box. The shipping was overnight, and it came in like one day. Inside the box, there's the wig. I'm kind of holding my camera right now, so everything is shaky. But it comes with an elastic band, wig cap. Okay. There's a card, and you know, they just wrote nice stuff on it. And clips. I have never received clips before, and I'm very excited about these. The wig is kinky curly and it is 16 inches. I'm gonna also quickly wash it. I'm gonna show you guys the hair in its natural state, like when it just first came. But I'm also gonna like wash it before installing it because that's something I always do. So the inside of the wig has 4 combs, so 2 on each side, and 1 in the back and 1 in the middle, like right here. And this is supposed to be HD lace, so yeah, you guys can see it's supposed to be blending. The knots are not bleached, so I'm gonna have to do that off camera. But this is the natural curl pattern. There you go. You guys see the curl pattern better? It's truly gorgeous. So it doesn't smell like nasty, it just smells like hair. So I think it's already pre-plucked if I'm not mistaken, but okay. Okay, so hi guys. I already showed you guys what was in the package. This wig is from Nabeautyhair, and what I did was I washed it. I let it air dry. I always leave my hair to air dry, and this is what the curl looked like after I left it air dry. I didn't really touch it or anything. I went and I cut half of the lace and I left the other half because I want to try it out to show you guys how great this HD lace is, really. So yeah, I'm coming to you guys barefaced. I was about to do my makeup and I was like, let me just install this first. And yeah, I'm gonna put it on and show you guys, you know, the blending and stuff like that. Okay, so I did not bleach the knots. I didn't do anything but cut the lace on this side. And this is what it's already looking like. It's not even glued down or anything, and it's already looking pretty well. Like, I don't feel the need to pluck this, but look at it. It's looking really great. And I could show you guys with the lace and stuff, like it's already blending right here. Do you see that? Do you see that? Like, it's blending and the lace is still on. Okay, so when I tell you this HD lace is like a lifesaver, you guys need to invest in these lace. Look at that. Like, it just looks so like good, and I know like you guys like it. I'm gonna take this off, cut the lace, and kind of just install this. So it's off. I do have 2 big puffy messy braids under there, and I didn't even like, so since this is really big and curly already, I don't see the need to go and make it neat under. I don't really wear my wigs for that long anyway, and I'm one of those people that like to take them off when I get home. Keep that in mind. So this is a quick glueless install. I cut the lace, okay. I don't even like have to even, if I wanted to wear this and just glue right here, I could just do that, because look at this wig. Like, it's just, oh my goodness. I'm just mad that it looks so short, even though it's 16 inches. But look at it. I didn't even do nothing yet. So I'm gonna take this, that's a B, and I'm just gonna spritz it just a little bit, okay? Like I said, I'm really not doing much to this because it's super easy. It's super duper easy. And this is like a quick install, like I said. But yeah, this is all I'm gonna keep doing. I'm gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna apply this everywhere I would want to be glued. I really like this curl pattern, and it reminds me of my hair so much that I just like it. And I'm just gonna keep spritzing the borders. After I do that, I'm taking anything, any piece of ribbon, fabric, whatever you have, and I'm just gonna tie this around my head. I'm gonna leave it tied for like 5 minutes, and I'm gonna come back to show you guys and talk to you more about the hair. Okay, so I know I look a little messed up right now. This cut is just not it. Okay, so I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. I'm gonna come back and then we talk about the hair. All right? Okay, it's been 5 minutes and this is what it looks like. It's pretty sturdy to kind of give my hairline a shape, because what is this? We don't want this. Okay, I mean, you could, but I don't want that. So I'm cutting a little bit of baby hairs. I'm looking down because I have a mirror down there, and we're cutting a little tiny bit. We don't want a lot of hair. We just want enough to make it look decent. Okay, and we're taking this amount. Okay, this hair is really kinky. Like, it's really kinky. And I'm spraying it with the Gatsby. Taking this out. And just going back in and just swooping it. And because this hair is so kinky, it is a little bit hard to do the baby hairs. But that's fine. Like, we can work with it. Because we just want a little shape right here. And if you have like a blow dryer, you can blow dry it down. It'll stick. No problem. Okay, like I just wanted to have a little, you know, shape going on. So look how it looks already. It's looking better already. Instead of, you know, before, okay, after. More natural. So we're not doing a lot of crazy. We're just gonna add right here and that's it. Both sides, and that's it. Okay. Just something like this, you know. I'm not doing craziness. I'm not doing a lot of stuff to my, like, I'm really not doing a lot. I'm doing the simplest thing just so that I could make it more natural looking. And look at this. It doesn't even look like, it looks like my hair. I didn't even put powder or nothing. It just looks good. So now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna just spritz it with some water. I'm probably gonna wear it like this more, like big, but I want to show you guys how defined this hair could get. And I'm just using some water. There's nothing in it at all, nothing. And look at that. Look at that. And let's go back to this part. Just spray it everywhere, just so that we don't get no troubles. This water is literally cold. It's been in there since yesterday and it's freezing. And then I'm gonna take some extreme gel and apply it because we want to define it and keep the curls. Okay, you want to define this hair and keep the curls popping. And like I said before from my past videos, I'm a very low maintenance girl, so I like when I don't have to keep touching the hair. I like that a lot, so this is what we're doing today. This is literally reminding me of my hair. I don't know how else to explain this to someone, but this is my hair. Literally, when I wash and go, like I do a wash and go, this is how my hair looks. This is literally what it does. So, I mean, it's a little bit longer, of course, but this is literally what it does. And I think this hair is just gorgeous. Look at it. It's super duper gorgeous. I love it. Oh my god, this hair is amazing. And I didn't even put I didn't even put no powder. Okay, I put no powder in my hair. I didn't even bleach the knots. And look how sis is blending. Sis is blending. Okay, so I just did my makeup, and yeah, it's drying, but it's kind of shrinking a little bit. But look how gorgeous this hair is. Look at it. You know you like it. You know when you want to get it. Okay, so what do I have to say about this hair? It is very gorgeous. Alright, look at the curl pattern on this. Look at this. It's very gorgeous. Very low maintenance at that. It's not really shedding at all. Like, I'm pulling stuff. I mean, one strand came out, but it's not shedding. And if this counts as shedding, then it's curly hair. Curly hair shed, but it doesn't, like, curly hair come out more out of curly hair than straight hair. But the amount that's coming out right now is literally like, it's not even a problem. It's not gonna shed like while you're walking. Hair only kind of come out when you run your finger through it, and you're not gonna run your fingers through kinky curly hair, are you? No. So that is perfect. It's low maintenance. All you need is literally a spray bottle. If you want to add some conditioner for faster, spritz it and you're ready to go. Okay, the lace is HD, so yes. Okay, perfect. I don't really have to say anything bad about this hair, because honestly, the shipping was literally overnight. It's literally my hair texture, except that my hair is too, my hair has more volume and it's longer. But this hair is amazing. It's super duper gorgeous, and you could do so much with it. And what I mean by that is that it came, the knots were bleached for me, but I'm wearing it. I'm sorry for the hiccups, but I'm wearing this without bleaching the knots. Why do I have the hiccups right? I'm wearing this without bleaching the knots. So let me tell you, when you bleach the knot, listen, this wig is a 10 out of 10 for me, and I really don't have much to say about it, except I'm gonna leave the link for it in the description box, and you guys let me know what you think. I can sleep with this, spray it, and it'll be fine. Unlike my hair, you know, is very, you know. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, this would be such a cute hairstyle. Alright, guess what? I'm gonna do another video on this hair, and I'm gonna pretty much style it. I'm gonna do like 2 or 3 natural hairstyles with it, because I really like how this looks. I love it. I love this hair a lot, and you can do a lot with it. You can do a lot. You could like do the little bang look with it. Oh, I'm excited. But that's all I have to say, and let's, you know, thank you so much for watching. Bye.